Welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be a full makeup tutorial. Yes, we are going for it. I am going to be using this gorgeous Juvia's Place palette. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I used the Nubian 2 palette and created this gorgeous, fabulous look. My Instagram, by the way, Kimberly Caines, go check it out. All kinds of fabulousness on there. And so I thought that palette was so fabulous that I had to go get another one. And this time I got the Zulu palette. They're so affordable too. They're only 20 bucks. And you can create so many different looks with them. It's awesome. Just look at this baby. How gorgeous is that? Okay, so I'm absolutely excited, especially about this gorgeous bluish greenish color right here. We are going to have some fun with this. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, just because this is the cool channel and I've got so much more coming up. I can't wait for you guys to see. Go ahead, subscribe, hit that bell, and we're gonna have lots of fun here, so stay tuned. And yeah, now I have no clue yet where this look is gonna go, so bear with me, but hopefully it'll turn out fabulous. So enjoy the video, and yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. So like, comment, and subscribe, and all that other good stuff too. And now let's go have some fun. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start with the e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm to prep my skin for the makeup, and I'm just working this all into my skin. For foundation, I'm using the Lancome Ultrawear Makeup Stick in the shade Suede. And my trusted LA Girl Proconceal concealer is going underneath my eyes. And this one's in the shade Medium Beige. I am going to set it with the Mercier powder, and this is the translucent powder. And to warm up my face, I'm going to use the Mercier powder in medium deep. For primer, I'm using the Wander Beauty Smooth Sailing 360 Degrees Eye Primer. And my eyebrows, I'm going to fix with the NYX Fill and Fluff pencil. And I just did a whole review video on it. If you haven't seen it, I will link it up there somewhere. So look for that. Next, I'm going to tape off my eyes. And if you have sensitive skin, make sure to use a paper tape. And now for the fun part, guys. I'm going to use this dark brown color from the Zulu palette, and I'm going to apply it all in the crease, above the crease, and slightly below the crease of my eyes. And then I'm gonna mix in this orange shade just so it's a natural transition. You don't want to have any harsh lines. So I'm just applying that on top and slightly above that brown shade. Next, I'm gonna cut the crease using the same concealer that I used before. When I do my eyeshadow, it starts off really sloppy and then it all comes together in the end. So if this looks really sloppy to you, don't mind it. It somehow just all comes together. And then I'm gonna go in with this blue-greenish gorgeousness. And I'm gonna apply that on the outer part of the cut crease. And I'm really packing it on. And it's amazing, but this palette does not have any fallout. And I am packing it on, baby, big time. I'm gonna apply this green metallic-like shade to the center of my eyes. And I'm really packing this one on too. And this light blue shade is gonna go on the inner corner of my eyes. And you really want the colors to kind of flow into each other naturally. You don't want to see any harsh lines. In other words, blend till you can't blend no more. And I applied the same colors on my waterline. And now I'm going to fly away with these gorgeous wings. And I'm using the Revlon Colorstay Sharp Line Eyeliner Pencil for this. And I already applied Ardell lashes here, and these are the double up lashes. Those are my favorite. And I'm gonna highlight below my brow bone with the Wonder Beauty Catch the Light highlighter. Just a little bit. And on my lips, I'm applying the Almay Lip Vibes in the shade Live Happy. And this is just to give my lips a little bit of color before I apply this e.l.f. Cosmetics Modern Metal Lip Gloss Glitter. And to finish the look, I'm applying the Wonder Beauty highlighter again on my cheeks this time. And there you have it, guys. I hope you guys love this look as much as I do. I really love all the colors. Let me know in the comments below. I will be back again next Friday with another video, and I hope that you're going to be joining me again. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.